Okay, let's keep these weekly reports rolling along here now. So that was what, Ohio? So next should be Portugal. Portugal was another one I just kind of decided to start watching. Okay, so do we have? Okay, so let's do this. Let's just come over here. Copy this. So I'm just going to add the report for. Okay, here we go. So let's just come down here. Let's just do a report for Portugal. Let's change Brazil to two occurrences. Okay. So let's go ahead and run the vaccine rollout report for Portugal today. Okay. So far in Brazil, or so far in Portugal, 15.9 million people have been vaccinated. Oh, you know what it is? I know what it is. Actually, okay. That's okay. So the total number of people vaccinated have received at least one dose is 8.9 million, and full vaccination rate is 8.6 million. Okay, and that means that 87.9% of the Portuguese population has been vaccinated, has received at least one shot, and 85.3% have received the 8.5% of the people have received minus one. 85.3% have been fully vaccinated in Portugal. Am I recording this again? Good. My mind's slipping. I can't remember where I actually started the stream or not. Now if Portugal's numbers are correct, their numbers are like insanely low. Just crazy low. Okay, and I have no reason not to trust Portugal's numbers. All right. So we've actually already saw this data before. Not quite sure why that's doing that now, but that's interesting. Okay. Uh, you know what? Let's come over here. Since we added this over to someplace, over to the there. I know what I want to do. Let's just convert these plots to plotly plots, shall we? I'm just going to convert these to the interactive plots. What it is, ggplotly is a wrapper for the plotly code. Either I'm not sure where ggplot2 comes from plotly or it comes from g. Let's just take a look over here, see it's some. I'm not sure where the ggplotly actually comes from. Help. Yeah. So ggplotly is actually comes from the plotly package itself. So in one sense it's basically a wrapper. Either ggplotly is either a wrapper for plotly or it's a wrapper for for ggplot. I'm not quite sure which one it is, but it allows you to very quickly to create interactive plots from your. It makes it very easy to it makes it very easy to create interactive plots from your GG2 plots. I'm not quite sure how the weekly numbers are going to work with this, but we'll see. One thing I want you to notice here is that this summarized by time function. This is actually part of the time TK package. So all you have to do, you have to say, you got to pass your data frame in, summarized by time. This is a time factor you want to do, so I'm going to do it by month. Okay. Okay. By month. And this is a function I want to do. Uh, Now I could probably change this. There's probably a way to output a different name for this, but that's okay. So let's just come back up here now and run this again on the top. See if it's going to run for us. Okay. So we can see now here. We can see that on January 28th, Portugal's cases peaked at 16,432 for a single day. All right. And you can see over here that as October 30th, the numbers have fallen to 911 cases for a single day, with an average of 730 cases per day. Now we can take a look at deaths. What I'm going to do over here, I'm going to see if I can sort of keep an eye on. No, I can't. Okay, so I haven't logged back in on my tablet to Twitter yet, or to Twitch yet. So Okay. Now the question is this. Uh-oh. Very nice. Okay. So, Often Steps is also streaming now. I just mentioned. So once again, daily cases spiked back over here on April 28th, January 28th at 16,432 cases for Portugal. As of October 30th, that number fallen to 911 cases per day. Wait. Okay, hang on a second. Hang on a second. I think the data is actually right. Let's see. Oh, here? Very good. Hey, how's that? Is that much better? Hey, thanks for picking up on that. I would have never saw that. So that explains why I had two plots of cases in, right? Let's try this again from the top then. Okay. So one more time. Cases we've already talked about, right? Let's take a look at this. Now, I don't know what they're doing in Portugal, but whatever it is, that they should bottle it and sell it, okay? Because their deaths, you know, low double digits, single digits, low double digits, all the way over here. We can take a look at. Now, listen, nice. You can actually take a look at the weekly totals there. That's good. Good. I'm gonna have to go back and change the rest of my plots to interactive on the other groups. So what you can see here is this long declining pattern down and through here for cases. This spike back up here to 22,010 cases for the week of July the 18th before declining back down and finishing up on October 24th at 5,354 cases. Deaths, again, weekly deaths spiked on January 24th at 1,985 deaths for that week. But now they had just a crazy low death number. So we're talking, 96 deaths for the week there and stuff like that. What about monthly cases? Oh, that's helpful, isn't it? So anyway, what you can see is, again, Brazil or Portugal had these crazy low numbers going into spring. They had a huge drop here. I'm not sure how they do that over the course of 1 month, but that's okay. Uh, anyway, you can see here that the crazy low numbers during the summer. Then you had a slight spike up here to 89,000 plus uh, cases here in July. Then for 3 months in a row now, the cases have been declining again. Of course, we can just look how crazy low these deaths are for Portugal. I mean, this is 1,000. This is 500. Okay. So anyway, Portugal. That does conclude your report for today.